Hi, this is Warren Carr from Blind Android Users Podcast. Today I'm doing an audio unboxing of the latest watch from Mobvoi. This is the TicWatch Pro 5. This costs $350 or $349, and it's the first one that runs Wear OS 3 and running W5 Plus Gen 1 chip, so it's a very powerful watch. I'll be doing a review of it later on, but today though, let's simply focus on what is in the box, physical dimensions, and all of that, and then in my review, we'll get into the software and how accessible it is. I will try to start accessibility upon unboxing it, but that's as far as I'll go in this video. Let's get started though. I got that box sitting here on my lap, and now I'll go into tearing it open. This thing was supposed to be here Saturday. However, it didn't get here till yesterday, which was Sunday. I'm doing this recording on Monday evening. Let's see what we got. All right. And now I'm going to take it out. But I do want to mention here though from the get-go that this box is like a foot long. I don't know why it's this long, but it is that long. So think of it like your ruler. If it's not a foot long, maybe just an inch or two shorter, but I'm positive this thing is like a foot long. I'm going to go open it now, tear off the plastic. I succeeded in tearing a hole in the plastic, so see if I can get it wider and just tear it open. There we go. All right. There we go. And see if I can pull it out. There we go. And I pull another box out of the box that was in the plastic. So there are like two boxes. And I need to open this one. Simply pull out that opening. Whoops, sorry. There we go. And in here lies the watch. It already has a silicone band on it and it's already attached. And I'm going to try to get it out of the box. There we go. If you've ever followed my unboxings, I don't always spend my time on telling you what's in the box and what kind of paper it is and all of that nonsense. I just get to the meat. Anyway, I'll take a little bit of time here, tell you what is in the box, especially in the way of the power. So I want to go in here besides the watch. There we go. I take another little tray here. There's a tray that the watch sits in. And there's a little card in here. And then to the right side, as I hold it, there's a little box in here. I believe this is the power. Try to open that up. Okay, as I open that up, there we go. That's a USB cord. And one part of it is like a semi circular. It's not a circle. It's kind of like almost, it's like a little curved part, very slim, and then it has like two pins on it, like little pogo pins. That's the part that will go to the watch for the charging, and the other end of it has the USB-A. That's what that charger is. I wish we had a standard for watches when it comes to charging, But everyone has their own take, and it kind of makes it a little bit difficult. So this is proprietary to the Mobvoi thing, and it just looks different. It's unlike the other ones from Samsung or from Google Pixel Watch. Now I am holding the watch in my hand. It does have the physical feel is that there's a little, I believe this is the power on the top right, and it is textured, so it has like ridges, so you know it is textured. That I believe is the power, and then there's the crown. That's all that you have. And again, like I said, it's a silicone band, and it does have a buckle. Don't know if you can hear that. Now I'm just going to hold down the power. This thing is about 50 millimeters, and it's my kind. It's a big watch. It's kind of lightweight. It's not that heavy. Someone may consider it heavy. To me, it feels just perfect because I like bigger watches. So this is absolutely my kind of watch. It's round, and now I'm going to hold down the power. I believe this is the power. And I'm holding it. I'm going to let go because I don't feel any vibrations, but I saw a little light come on it. So I'm going to keep it going and see what happens. Now, not knowing how Mobvoi implemented accessibility, I'll be doing the traditional, that is a 2-finger hold down, to see if it will actually enable accessibility. So I'm going to give it, there's a chime. There we go. Sounded like the Google one. So I wonder if I triple tap on the power button like the Google Watch and bring up accessibility. I'm going to try that first, and I hope to God that I don't mess it up. But I think, though, that I'm first going to put my finger down, 2 fingers down. I know that doesn't work on the Pixel Watch, but I'm going to try it here. So here we go. I'm going to put my 2 fingers down, and I'm holding, and I'm holding. Nothing happens. So now I'm going to triple tap the power button. 1, 2, 3. Nothing happened. Oh, there we go. I heard the sound of TalkBack or screen reader.
TalkBack on.
There we go.
Welcome to TalkBack. Swiping right moves to the next item. Swiping left moves to the previous item. When TalkBack is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swipe right now to find the next button.
As you can hear,
open TalkBack for more details.
As you can hear, the volume is very low. And so once I set it up, then I will get to setting it up. So we do know that it's just like the Pixel Watch, whereupon you triple tap the power to enable accessibility. And this would conclude the unboxing of the Mobvoi TicWatch Pro 5. My next video is going to be about software and how it works with accessibility enabled and how responsive or non-responsive it is. I will be doing that, though, with my Pixel 6 Pro running Android 13.0. Again, this concludes the quick unboxing of the TicWatch Pro 5.